Holy moly! No, that is heavy. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be very interesting and also useful for a lot of people. We have a massive package in the house and you might be wondering what this is, right? Basically, this company called as Emma has reached out to me and told me, hey Vimal, we are actually a specialized mattress based company out of Germany and we make like lots of different models of mattresses and that too in like different models, different sizes, and they wanted me to actually check out their product and give my feedback in a video. And I was like, why not? Definitely. So there you go. This is how the mattress came in this sort of box packaging. Smart packaging, guys. It's like completely vacuum sealed like a roll, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, guys. Usually a lot of people are like confused which mattress should they go for. Should they go for memory foam based mattress or maybe like spring type mattress? And this one is a very unique one, guys. It's called a hybrid model, guys. It's a hybrid model that combines both spring type and memory foam mattress, and it has like a unique technology. So I'm like very excited to unbox and see how this thing works, how is the overall comfort level, and we'll be talking about everything about this product in this video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our mattress from Emma came in this sort of box packaging, huge packaging, definitely quite heavy. And as I've told you, it's a German based company, very popular overseas, known and loved in almost 33 plus countries worldwide, especially for their premium quality and comfort levels. Recently, they came into the Indian market to expand their operations and basically offer their products and services to our Indian customers. And one more thing I forgot to mention is the company is offering 15 years of warranty on their products along with free shipping and free delivery. Plus, you're also getting 100 nights of free trial service as well. All details will be in the description box below. Looks like some paperwork regarding the product. Just make sure to read this. And you're also getting a free included unboxing knife also. Very cool. Anyways, now let's unbox it and check out the mattress we've been waiting for. I'm not sure if you people will believe, but this is a very large mattress. I'm not sure how they actually rolled it into such a compact form factor and vacuum sealed it. It's a king sized 78 by 72 inch mattress, guys. I mean, what kind of sorcery is this, Emma? It is crazy. You can use this free tool that you got in the package. You basically need to slide it onto the top cover like this and simply slide it to the edge of the mattress, and that's it. And once you rip and tear the outer cover of the mattress, right, the mattress will automatically expand and regain its original shape. You can even listen to the sound, the air gushing out of the packaging. Just listen to the sound over here. Okay, that was pretty awesome, right? Roughly took around like 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. Mattress has regained its original shape and size. And as I've told you, ours is a king size variant, 78 by 72 inch, 8 inch thickness variant, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in our bed. First of all, let me talk about the main highlights and features. Our particular variant is the Emma hybrid mattress that combines both memory foam with premium spring mattress to give you best possible comfort levels. It's actually a premium variant, guys. Apart from this, you do have a bit of affordable models also, or maybe ortho models are also available on their website. Our particular mattress has a total of 5 to 6 layers, including the top outer cover. So let's start off with that only. They're calling it as an ultra dry pillow top cover, and it's made of a high quality fabric material. Feels quite soft and plush and is also anti-allergic. That's a good thing. Below that you have a breathable foam layer, which they are calling it as Ergo Cell Foam. The third layer is one of the main crucial elements of your mattress, your memory foam layer. This is a cool gel infused layer that offers orthopedic support for your body by adapting to your body shape and posture while sleeping. Followed by there's a zoned Aeroflex spring area. This is like the main support system for your body on the mattress. So both the memory foam area and the spring zone area work in a perfect balance to offer you a comfortable sleep experience while using. Lastly, you also have something known as HRX support system, which is basically like a high resilience area that adds like an overall durability to the mattress for extra weight handling. So guys, I've been using this mattress at my place for almost 6-7 days, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are actually so many points I'll be talking about. You people will also get like full information, so make sure to watch it till the end. Initially, I thought this mattress might also be like very similar to any other previous mattress we've used at our home, but nah, this was completely different because at the beginning I've told you, right, it's a hybrid mattress that features both adaptive memory foam along with a pocket spring layer. So the kind of level it offers, right, the perfect balance between softness and also firm support for your back. That is like really good, guys. When you actually sit on the mattress, right, it feels so soft, and when you lay down completely, you're still getting that firm support for your back. This was like completely different, guys, and it's actually very good. Not just me, even my parents also use this, and they felt quite comfortable and a good sleep in the past few days. First of all, let me give you like a closer look and talk about the overall design. Starting off with this top cover, guys. So this is how the design looks like. You're basically getting like two-tone design, and the top layer is actually very soft. You're getting a high quality anti-allergic fabric material over here. And one more thing I forgot to mention is usually a lot of large mattresses, right, when you put them on the bed, they keep sliding here and there and they don't have good grip. But not on this one. You're actually getting like an anti-skid base on the bottom, and this was offering like a good level of grip. Once you put the mattress on a bed, right, it was not sliding here and there. So that is definitely a plus point. Also, not to miss out, one really nice addition is they've added like handle grips on the left and right side of the mattress. So this can be really useful in case if you're transporting the mattress from one bedroom to maybe other bedroom. So definitely handy, I would say. So now let's talk about the comfort and softness of this mattress. Our particular variant, as I've told you, is a king size variant, and it's available in both 6-inch thickness and 8-inch thickness edition also. We have the 8-inch variant and feels very soft and cushiony. At the same time, offers good amount of firmness as well. This is all thanks to that hybrid technology. I've told you, right, you're getting memory foam layer at the top side. It will automatically take the shape of your body posture whenever you're sleeping and give you like a nice comfortable experience. Plus you're also having like pocket springs all over the bed, guys, that will automatically go inside and give you that perfect firmness for your body. So you're getting both softness plus firmness, which is like great, and it's like usable for all age groups. And you might even ask about the breathability, right? Nothing to worry. You're actually getting like a cool gel infused memory foam at the top, and all the material used is like breathable, guys. Plenty of air circulation and airflow is there, so your body doesn't sweat also that much. Again, though, this is like winter, so I didn't have any sort of sweat experience during night when I was using this mattress. But again, we'll have to use it in summer time, and then only I'll let you know. We still have plenty of time. You'll have to follow up for a long-term review, and if you have any sort of questions, do let me know. Maybe in future in some other video I'll share my experience on a long-term basis. The mattress also has motion absorbing design, so even if there is some sort of disturbance or any sort of action going on in one area of the mattress, person sleeping on maybe other area or opposite end of the mattress won't feel that much of disturbance. So definitely a plus point. And apart from that, the brand is also offering some special services as well, like they're including 100 nights free trial service. So you can order this mattress, use it for 100 nights. If you're not satisfied, return it back to the company and get your money back. Shipping is also free and fast service. You're also getting 15 years of warranty on this product, and lastly 0% no cost EMI is also available. So that is pretty much it, our complete video on Emma hybrid mattress. It's been only like 5-6 days, right, and so far so good. Everything has been nice. Comfort level, sleep quality, everything was nice, including the fabric material used. So far very satisfied with the experience. Though again, a full review for a mattress can take quite a bit of time. We'll have to use it for at least like 3 to 4 months, then only you'll get to know the long-term experience. So I'll definitely do that, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll be sharing a separate feedback also in one of my future videos. All details for the product will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there, including their website link. So that's it, time to wrap it up. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the pricing, right? Emma's hybrid variant of the mattress starts at around 8,999 for the single bed variant, and our king size variant costs around like 21,399 rupees. Links for all these will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got full information. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.